What up, what up? EML combo with another unboxing video. Oh man. 27th. Dang, I ain't even got it. I said it way over here. Hey, get it. What is this? Alright. Let me get the X-Acto knife, because we're gonna need it. Well, I know I'm a little late on this, but it is what it is. New product release. I think it showed up on, what is today, Saturday? I think it showed up on Thursday. Kind of obvious of what it is, though. I wish they would have been a little bit more discreet on that. But no, I did not open it. I've been sinking all my spare time into, it has not, the seal has not been broken. For those of you that think that it was sitting over there in the corner, pre-scripted, and people do stuff like that, but I've been sinking all my time into this PAL world. And I have a sneaking suspicion that I'm going to have to send this video to the manufacturer because I don't think that I'm going to be able to play this game. Look at that, it's already flapping and... Alright. Again, this is still hard to achieve with one hand, but we're going to make it work. Ooh. Tekken 8 with a PS5. This will probably be my last physical game. Got your boy Jen over there looking cool, looking cold. I would say scrumptious, but you can't say that in 2024 because they'll think that you playing with the alphabet people. Look at Kazuya looking extra cold. Can you still say cold in 2024 and not get canceled? Everybody getting canceled. All right. So what do we have here? Let me read it out away from the iPhone. Okay, so you got a 10-inch figurine, so I guess this is all 10 inches. We'll talk about that. Special face-off steel book. Don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. Oh, the box is premium. The box is, I guess the box is kind of nice, but I don't know if I would call it premium, but PS5 game with all Ultimate Edition content and bonuses. And this is where I think I'm going to have a problem. And I will show you why. But let me open it first before I go off on Bandai Namco. Let me see. Can we focus in on that? Lee, Claude, Jin, John, Kazuya, Lars. Who? Is that Nina? Man, that's tiny, tiny, tiny. Is that kind of looks like Nina? No. Yeah, that's Nina. Wow, that writing is really bad. That's a premium box. Asuka. Okay, and then you get a Leroy Smith metal ring with velvet pouch. What's the likelihood that fitting on my actual finger? Arcade tokens. Oh. Okay. What are you supposed to do with the arcade tokens and then no arcades anymore? 32 costumes, Tekken t-shirt. A Tekken t-shirt inside the game? I want a Tekken t-shirt in like RF. The tape that's already been waffling in the wind on the premium box. The premium box, y'all. Okay, so let me take the premium cover off of the okay, so taking the premium cover off of the premium box. Okay, got a little Tekken 8 back there. Got a little Tekken 8. That's the Tekken 8 we already saw. Okay, it's still got the same stunningness. Kazuya on one side. Oh, so maybe they mean this is the premium box. This part. Maybe that's what they mean. The premium. That's going to be a problem. That is going to be a problem. And this is, so here's the disc. And yeah, here's the disc. Digital content. I'm not going to show y'all the back of that. Let me look for myself. Oh yeah, can't show y'all the back of that. Okay, the digital content. Oh, here's the steel book. Uh-oh. The reason why I say I don't know what I'm gonna do with this steel book, because my Tekken 7 box came with a steel book that housed all the previous Tekkens before it. Okay, so Kazuya. Daddy beating, or daddy trying to beat on son. We ain't gonna get into that here today. Okay, now can you open this? Can the steel book be open? Dang, steel book don't play. Oh, awesome. A place to put my disc. Wow. I mean, the effort that they put into this so you could put your disc there. Thanks, Bandai. You're the greatest. And that is full, chock full of sarcasm, in case it wasn't noticed. Let me put all of this back in here. Notice, blah, blah, blah. This device compiles with part 15 of FCC. Okay, FCC. Oh, what is this? What? See what I'm talking about with this packaging? Like, what is this? It's not like a handle to where you can, but they got the plastic locked in together with it. Oh, yes. Yes. So there's the art. Those are some big arcade. I don't know what arcade they going to. That Leroy ring that we don't need, that ain't gonna fit no way. Ooh, and what is this? What is that, y'all? I say, yes, yes. Oh, oh, oh. I'm so excited. You know, I absolutely caved on this. I did reach out to Bandai Namco about this statue and figurine. And that's why this is a problem. I know the screen is dark. I don't own a PS5 with a disc. My PS5 is digital only. I reached out to Namco about this and said, hey, let me buy the figure, the statue, without... So what is this thing up here? Oh, those are those silly little cards that we can barely read. A Nina and like play cards or something. Yeah, that's what those are. Yeah, you might as well open them because this is probably more than likely going to be the first and last time I go in here. So let's look at them together. And don't worry, y'all, I cleaned off the marble counter before I did this unboxing. Because that was one of the things that was taking me so long to do the unboxing because this counter was dirty. So we've seen this one. Take a screenshot of it or copy it so you can make your own. His fighting style is karate. Karate. I don't know about that one. Tekken Force martial arts. I'm not gonna get in that here on this unboxing video. Not today. Y'all not suckering me into that today. What? What is our fighting style? What is his fighting style? Serious exorcist arts. Oh, Lord. Okay, so there you have it. I will do a separate video. Look at the art style on this. Oh man. Here. Let me not rob my fans of this unboxing. Let me at least. Oh, it's sealed together. I don't want to break it too much because Namco might end up getting it back since I can't play the game. That's why I'm taking my time. Man, it's really sealed. It's got these little sealing bubbles. One more. Wow. Can't say they didn't package it good. Oh, man. I didn't realize, well, yeah, I guess I did realize he was in devil mode because that's why the wing is out. Look at the detail on that face and the hair and the paint. I'm not a big figurine person, but I can definitely appreciate, oh man, look at the polish. Ooh, look at the detail on that glove. Man. Yeah. Look at the perforation on those pants. Yes, yes, yes. I still have the Tekken 3 Gen stand up. What is that thing, like 5 feet tall? I still got that thing. I think it was from when Tekken 3 was coming out at Babbage's and EB Games. I'm showing my age. Never noticed that that was an 8 before. So yes, this is important because it plugs into Jen's back and lights up the wing with LED lights. So once I get it set up, I will do a separate video on how it looks overall, standing, blah, blah, blah. I guess y'all want to see the ring. Let me put this back up. Let me put this back up. I don't think I put those cards back in the order they came out in, but there's a little plastic that the cards need here. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep these or not, keep this collection set or not, because I done paid how much for this game and can't even play it. Bandai Namco. So yeah, I reached out to them and said, hey, sell me the figurines. I said, matter of fact, sell me the whole collection set and give me a digital code. Oh, we don't offer that right now, blah, blah, blah. And I kind of said I ripped the package. That was a waste. Straight up ripped the package. Well, I messed that up. Trying to do it with one hand. This one hand joint is for the birds. Oh, what is, these coins actually got a little weight on them too. What the? Pretty nice. What are you gonna do with these? Like, where do these go? Once you unbox them, what do you do with them? Like when they were making up the price tag for this thing, why couldn't they not include these huge oversized tokens that you're never gonna use? I'm only doing this for y'all, otherwise I wouldn't even open this. Oh, it expands at the bottom. So that means it's cheap. Oh, it actually does fit. What you say? Get my backhand ready. Yeah. What? I'm just practicing, y'all. I'm just practicing. What? Notice it keeps on going. Bow. It does. Oh Lord, I put it on. Oh, I put it on. Okay, it came off. And get it inscribed for all your future backhanding. Oh, it's already inscribed. Oh, nice. Okay. The ring isn't too bad. I don't know. Like if I'm wearing this out in public, y'all gonna be like, oh, Combo got on his Mars equipment ring from the Super Collector's Edition that he paid exorbitant amount of money for that didn't even come with the game. Well, it didn't come with a version of the game that he could play. So now that I've made this video, oh, I think think the whole pouch was supposed to go in there, not just the ring. I think I did that wrong. So now that I've made this video, I can reference this video to Bandai Namco, and they will be able to see that, yes, my PlayStation does not have a disc. So what's the plan here? Y'all want this back? Okay, now you don't want to go back in there. Come on, Lars Super Special Collector's Ring. Go back in your pouch. Okay, now pouch. Go back in the packaging without ripping. Oh! We did it. We made it. T8 tape. Oh, and a surprise bonus. Because I had not convinced myself that I was going to pay the extortion prices for this statue, since it did not come with the digital version of the disc, I went ahead and bought this too, in place of me not getting this statue. So this is what because I went to GameStop and asked them for options, like if they would be able to provide a digital copy, blah, blah, blah. Oh, so that's plugged into his back. That's why it's a proprietary connection. That makes sense. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, I don't know much about this thing. The guy at GameStop said, well, you know, we can't offer you a digital copy. You would have to go through Namco, Bandai Namco, and get them to do it. So I bought this King with a fireball. A fireball. King shoots fireballs. Did I miss something? Is that one of his like super secret moves? Like kind of like Ivy's super throw with when her swords come out and all stab you? Is the fireball like one of those like 20 command input moves? I don't even know who these people are. But it does look like it's got a whole bunch of joints and moving parts. I'm not gonna open it here today because I'm a little teed off that I won't even get to play this game. So yeah, you all won't get to see any Tekken 8 content on my channel anytime soon until I get this straightened out with Bandai Namco. Figure out how I'm gonna get to play this game, or am I sending all this back? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Let me know that you enjoy these unboxing videos. I will follow up with the official lighting of the Jin statue, and we'll take it from there. Here's what it looks like, or what it should look like when it's lit up. So the 8 is going to light up, and then the whole wing is going to light up like it's on fire. If we're lucky, maybe it'll pulsate or something like that, but he looked kind of cool without the wing, to be honest. But yeah, I bought this as a cheap backdoor to have some type of figure for Tekken 8, but I just couldn't resist the light up wing. So here we are. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you got yours, how Tekken 8 is, because you're clearly going to be able to play it before I get to play it. Let me know what you think. I have not been really watching any videos or previews on it. I haven't been watching anything on it because I like going into my games and movies with tempered expectations. Thank you for watching. EML Combo out. Peace, y'all.